Hello, in front of me I've got Ford C-Max. In this video I'll show you where is the fuse box under the hood. In the beginning, let's take a look at the right side of engine compartment. The fuse box is located right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.